So, what is asked in this question? The question is about the challenges which humans sometimes experience based on the text. So, we need to have a brief understanding, of what this poem is about. So, it's largely about comparison between humans and the animals in a zoo, right? Now, how do you go about solving this question? One way is by eliminating the wrong answer choices and reaching our right answer. Now, for that, we need to know what are the types of wrong answer choices. So there are mainly three types of wrong answer choices uh, in central ideas and details related questions. So one which contains outside information. So this information is not indicated or found in the text. The second is misrepresenting the text. Now, what this means is that information that makes false claims, which is not suggested by the text. So it can, one of the answer choices may kind of falsify or misinterpret what the text says, and that would come under misrepresenting the text. The third wrong answer choice would be the answer choices which are lightly touched upon. So sometimes the answer choice will be from the text and is not misrepresented, but those answer choices, they are not the central idea. They are only briefly mentioned, and it's not around them that the whole text is constructed, right? So we need to identify this three types of wrong answer choices and eliminate them. Now let's start eliminating the wrong answer choices. And again, the best way is to start comparing two of the answer choices and see which one seems less likely to be the right answer, and cross out those answer choices. So let's start with A and B. So A says they cannot effectively tame certain wild animals because of a lack of compassion. Now, if you read this poem, it's definitely not about taming certain wild animals, right? Again, this word tame is just not indicated anywhere in the text, right? Or neither is lack of compassion. There is no mention of compassion here. So we can safely eliminate this option. Option two is they have aspirations that cannot be fulfilled because of certain limitations. Now, this word aspirations, it does not seem like it's part of the text, but it does talk about certain limitations, right? If you read this text, it talks about that the animals are in cages and men are to an extent, I mean, humans are to an extent too, but they just have a larger range, right? And it's talking about something trapped, something wrapped, dreams and visions wrapped, right? So let's just hold on this option for now. Option C is talking about they cannot focus on setting attainable goals because of a lack of motivation. This lack of motivation is again not mentioned anywhere in the text, right? There is no indication of lack of motivation, so we can eliminate this answer choice. Option D says they quickly become frustrated when faced with difficult tasks because of a lack of self control. Again, see, this is missing in the text. It's so all of these answer choices, A, C, and D, they all fall under this category. They all contain outside information, right? This lack of self-control, or talking about compassion, or taming wild animals, or lack of motivation. They are all outside information, not indicated or found in the text. So we eliminate those answer choices, and so we are left with B as the right answer choice.